અમૃત મહોત્સવ નિમિત્તે આપણને ઘણા બધા મહાનુભાવોના શુભેચ્છા સંદેશો મળ્યા છે. એમાંના કેટલાક હું અહીંયા વાંચી સંભળાવીશ. સૌપ્રથમ આપણા ગુજરાત રાજ્યના માનનીય મુખ્યમંત્રી શ્રી વિજયભાઈ રૂપાણી સાહેબે પણ આપણને શુભેચ્છા સંદેશ મોકલી આપ્યો છે. સ્નેહી શ્રી ડોક્ટર કથિરિયા, સપ્રેમ નમસ્કાર. I am very happy to know that BA College of Agriculture, Anand Agricultural University, Anand, is planning to celebrate year 2021 as the Platinum Jubilee year. Agriculture being a backbone sector for the nation, the research and innovation methods and system can keep up the overall performance for the entire economy. I congratulate the faculty members for putting in their best in obtaining the results from the students, conveying my heartfelt greetings for the celebration of Platinum Jubilee of BA College of Agriculture. I wish the function every success. આ ઉપરાંત આપણને કૃષિ ગ્રામીણ વિકાસ અને પરિવહન વિભાગના મંત્રી શ્રી આદરણીય આરસી પ્રભુ સાહેબનો સંદેશ પણ પ્રાપ્ત થયો છે. I am delighted to know that BA College of Agriculture, Anand Agricultural University, Anand is entering the Platinum Jubilee year in 2021 and going to celebrate the Platinum Jubilee. The college has shown exemplary progress during its journey of excellence in the field of agriculture and science. Since its establishment, the contribution of the college for agriculture education, research and extension of agriculture technologies for the development of agriculture sector is immense. I am happy to note that this college has proved itself as a leader in agriculture education with remarkable success. I convey my best wishes to all my agriculture fraternity for all Anand Agricultural University for the grand success of celebration. I wish Platinum Jubilee celebration a grand success. Agriculture, Farmer Welfare and Cooperation Department na Secretary Shri Manish Bhardwaj sir એમનો સંદેશો પણ હું આપને વાંચી સંભળાવીશ. Dear Dr. Kathiria ji, I am happy to know that BA College of Agriculture, Anand Agricultural University, Anand is celebrating Platinum Jubilee of its establishment in 2021. The college has a long and a rich history and has contributed significantly to develop quality human resource, research and extension. The alumni of this college have turned out to be brilliant luminaries who have men important positions both at state, national and international levels. On the occasion, I convey my greetings to the organizers and wish celebration a grand success. તો આ પ્રસંગે આ મહાનુભાવોનો પણ આ નિમિત્તે આપણે આભાર વ્યક્ત કરીશું. હવે આજના આપણા ગેસ્ટ ઓફ ઓનર ભૂતપૂર્વ કુલપતિ આદરણીય ડોક્ટર AM શેખ સરને હું વિનંતી કરું કે એમની વાત રજૂ કરે. સર.
Good morning to everybody. I am very happy that the BACA is celebrating Platinum Jubilee for its establishment, and on this occasion the President of the function, Dr. K.B. Kathiria, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Anand Agricultural University, grandson of the respected Donor Ambutlal Harkumdas, respected Amit Shah Sahib, Amit Seth Sahib, Chief Guest of today's function, Dr. Bimal Patel, Rashtriya Raksha Shakti University, Gandhinagar, Principal of the college, Dr. Yogesh Shukla, Organizing Secretary Dr. Parmar, dignitaries of the dais, Principal of the Devi Science College, Principal of the Agriculture Engineering College, Godhra, Director of Students Welfare, Dr. D.S. Vai, Director of Research, Dr. M.K. Jala, Director of Extension Education, Dr. Harish Vai, Dr. M.B. Patel, the ex-principal Dr. D.J. Patel, and I forgot ex-principal and the guest of honor on the dais, respected Dr. Nargoi Sai, family member of our donor, and Amit Bhai Seth ji, my esteemed alumni of this college, alumnus of this college, staff member, students, and the invited guests, and ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor for me to be with you, and I congratulate to the Honorable Vice Chancellor and the Principal and the faculty member on the staff of the BA College of Agriculture on the occasion of this launching of the celebration of the Platinum Jubilee of the Parka. I am very happy and delighted to be a part of this event, as it is to be celebrated for the whole year, and we are celebrating the Platinum Jubilee of our country also, and it was mentioned and designated by the PM as the freedom of the Amrut Mahotsav, and thereby this celebration is also a part of that Amrut Mahotsav at of the nation, our nation, and that Jubilee, Platinum Jubilee of this college is from 1947 to 21, and it is a part of Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav, as I mentioned. It means that it is the elixir of the energy of the freedom, and for us, therefore, our Platinum Jubilee celebration of the BSA is part of the national celebration, and it is a coincidence with the national festival, and it means it is nectar of the inspiration from the institution, from the initiator, from the donor, from the benefactor, and from the new ideas and new resolution and self-reliance and so on. So all this nectar has to be as the inspiration to from the past will serve the further to inspire the coming generation of this college and the country. And the another coincidence for us is the donor of our college, that is the Amrut Lal Seth. And so it is also a coincidence that our National Freedom Platinum Jubilee is also a Amrut Mahotsav, and Amrut means it is a standard of explanatory of the purity and the excellence. And since time immemorial, as it is one of the outcome from the Samudra Manthan, which was executed by Devas and the Rakshas in one of the episode of the Hindu mythology, and Amrut, which is the outcome, was obtained before the lapse of the century, and still remained its Amrut. And like that, our country, and this college will remain a long period, and it's continue and flourish like a Amrut, And the another aspect is the Amrut Seth is also a inspiration for our college. And the second thing is the college was started with the, as I told you, with the general donation from the Amrut Seth, and hence it is excelled in agriculture education and research and extension education, and contributed toward the upliftment of the farmers and the nation's building in all the spheres of the life. And as already mentioned by respected Natui Sahib, the college has strived a lot, and in every sphere it has strived with the government and with the university. The second thing is, I have some, because there are many things have been mentioned by Natui Sahib, who was also an ex-principal, and I am not repeating, but some suggestion for students and faculty, as I had in my mind, that I will also express here. And therefore, I am very happy to be a part of this milestone celebration of BACA. I was product of this college, and also lucky to serve this college from 1970 to 2011, and after that 4 years as a vice chancellor of this university, and therefore it is very memorable even for me, because I was part of the Silver Jubilee during the 70s, in the era of 70s. I was also part of Golden Jubilee under the leadership of Natui Sahib, and which was also under leadership of Natui Sahib and Dr. R.M. Patel respectively. And this college instituted in the year 1947 on 11th August by Iron Man of India, late Sri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, on the inspiration of Mahatma Gandhi, and by generous donation by the late Sri Amrutlal Sargonda Seth on the name of his son Bansilal. And I bow my head to all of these people, all these dignitaries who have taken great way in establishment and initiating this college. And this college has provided the opportunity to the young men and women who wanted to enter agriculture as professional arena and participate in nation building projected in vision by our founding father. It is indeed a matter of satisfaction that BACA has successfully striven for empowerment of the young women and the men for the last 74 years, whether it was the field of research, academic, extension education, industry, defense, or administrative, or politics, and so on. As there are so many illustrations and the success story of these students who were alumni of this college. And it is of the information is also available in our college. The college was, as mentioned earlier, was affiliated with the Bombay University, Gujarat University, Sardar Patel University, and then college become a constituent college and part of Gujarat Agriculture University, and since 2004 it is a constituent college of the Anand Agriculture University. And college more than the bricks, and it is which is a build of mortar and built with a mortar and the bricks, and the college is its people from the humble to the highest functionary and generation of the students and teaching whole make it into the thriving institution. Means the college is not only about R&D, but it's made with its people, its students, those are ambassadors, they are people, they are faculty. And the motto of the education is Sarva Sukhino Bhavan, and therefore we should be the driving impulse of any conception of the education in any period or a place, and that it imparting the education in our country expounded was aiming the happiness for everyone. We want economic growth, we also want technological growth, we also want the scientific pursuit of the knowledge. But at the end of everything comes to a point of we want to have a happiness, and happiness of the people, happiness by the people, and happiness for the people, irrespective of artificial division of the race, caste, or caste, class, and gender. For institution building, we cannot be a bubble of self-interest, and for which we are a part of the humanity, and until everyone progress, for this purpose we have to work hard, and those students who are entering this college, they should be a self-managing, self-developing, and emotionally self-sustaining. And I would like to caution all the faculty and the students against the exploitation of the fault line in the society, that is the intolerance and the gender violence. And there is a room for argumentation and for the Indian, and no room for intolerance in Indian, as an Indian. And our nation is the bastion of the free thoughts, speech, and expression. Since ancient time, our society has always been characterized by open contestation and respect for individual differences. Freedom of speech and expression is one of our most important fundamental right guaranteed by the Constitution, and students and the faculty must cultivate and practice and demand the freedom to criticize and discuss dissent, not only with the college but with every sphere of the life today and for all tomorrow's that you will be a part of it. College has renowned faculty, as I already mentioned. 22 staff faculty were trained at the Kansas and the Wisconsin, and since its inception, and immensely contributed for upliftment of the farming community. And therefore, all teachers in the college, I would like to say that you are a proud, very and bearer of a wonderful tradition of the being in this institute, in this position, and to give your students the greatest gift of all the knowledge. And for that purpose, institution future is the development of the enabling the faculty, students, and the staff to overcome cynicism, particularly, as I already mentioned previously, Dr. Nandan Sahib. And cynicism is an easy alibi to evade responsibility. One way of achieving this is by making everyone stakeholder in the collaborating institution building, and it means instead of avoiding the responsibility, we should be a part of the stakeholder and have to build the institution. And in less than 10 years from now, because of the new education policy and the development of the world and the nation in particular, in less than 10 years from now, the nearly 140 million young people or young age group people is required, will be a part of our from India, and every fourth graduate in the world will be product of our higher education. It means the population, youngest